Hello and welcome to Sebwatch TV. Today on Sebwatch TV, we want to take rational and irrational numbers. I want to explain rational and irrational numbers so that we do understand it very, very carefully because a lot of people don't have a clear understanding about rational and irrational numbers. And I've been getting this that I should explain it to the understanding of everyone. So I want you to sit down, stay glued to your seat, and let's take it one after the other. And let's go. Okay. So now we want to talk about rational and irrational numbers. Now, beginning, I'll go by saying what are rational numbers and what are irrational numbers. Now, the first example I can give about rational numbers are that they are numbers that are written in a common fraction. So, rational numbers equals common fraction. Okay, common fraction. Let's take it that, and that's the simplest definition I can give. Now, irrational numbers are not written in a common fraction. Okay, so let's take these two definitions. Rational numbers are numbers that are written in a common fraction, but irrational numbers are numbers that are not written in a common fraction. Now, with these two definitions, they are not that detailed, but we will pick it from the definition again. Now, if irrational numbers are not written as a common fraction, let's ask ourselves, then what are they written in? Hello? We are saying that rational numbers are written in a common fraction. Irrational numbers are not written in a common fraction. Now the question comes, what are they written in? They are written in a square root. So a number you see like square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, they are all irrational numbers. Now, not all common fractions too are uh, uh, rational numbers, and not all square root numbers are also irrational numbers. Again, we said, or I said that rational numbers are written in common fractions, but not all fractions are rational numbers. Irrational numbers are written under the square root or square root numbers, but not all that one too are irrational numbers. Why am I saying that? When we are using decimal numbers to differentiate rational and irrational numbers, and that is the most accurate way to know, we say that rational numbers are terminating. Rational numbers are terminating, and rational numbers are repeating. What do I mean by that? If I say they are terminating, they are decimal numbers that are short, like 0.42, 0.423. You see, these decimal numbers are short. That makes it unique for rational numbers. They are repeated. We can have 0.62, 62, 62 to infinity. Because they are repeating 62, 62, 62, they are rational numbers. We can have 0.3333 to wherever it will reach. Because they are repeating 33333, they are rational numbers. Hello? Now, irrational numbers, on the other hand, they are non-terminating, which means that it goes on and on and on and on and on and on without stopping. Something like 0.621311142. You see, it goes on and on and on without an end. And they are not also repeating. They are not also repeating, which means that when I have my number like this, it goes, you will not see it repeating as the rational numbers. Hello? They are not repeating. So these are the differences between rational and irrational numbers. Again, for rational numbers, we can have for irrational numbers, we can have square root of 4. I said here that Irrational numbers are numbers that are written under the square root. But if I have square root of 4, it is not an irrational number. It's a rational number. Because square root of 4 gives me 2. So it's a rational number. What I'm trying to say is that the numbers under the square root should always be a prime number to make it an irrational number. Again, the number that will be under the square root should always be a prime number to qualify an irrational number. So square root of 2, square root of 3, square root of 5, square root of 7, square root of 11, square root of 13, these are all irrational numbers. But if we have square root of 9, because square root of 9 gives me 3, so it is not an irrational number. Square root of 4 gives me 2, so it's not an irrational number. So these are all rational numbers, but they are under the square root. The same way, if I have 6 over 3, I can't say 6 over 3 is I can't say 6 over 3 is a rational number. It will be for irrational. Hello? To be for irrational. So that is how it goes on and on. So whatever time that we have a fraction or a square root number, to determine whether it is rational or irrational, we have to use our calculator to type. So the decimal that we get, then we qualify that to be what? Rational or irrational. This is a short video on rational and irrational numbers, and I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you very much for joining me, and have a nice day. If you have any question, leave it in the comment section below, then we'll take it again. Or if you have questions or whatever under it, please leave it behind and I'll take it. I also have a WhatsApp group. If you want to join, check the description and you see the link here for you to join. Thank you very much once again. My name is Abuach and I'm out. Kindly subscribe.